In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a complete checkout page in Big Cartel in just a couple of minutes. Make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. To begin, open your web browser and search for Big Cartel. Click the official site, and once the home page loads, either log into your account or create a new one if you are just getting started. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Big Cartel dashboard, which is where you control everything related to your store. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see your initials. Click on them to open the menu, then scroll until you find the section called Get Paid. You'll notice an edit icon beside it. Select that option because this is where you set up how your customers will pay you. Inside the Get Paid section, you'll see two payment gateways, PayPal and Stripe. Big Cartel supports both, and you only need one active to start receiving payments. Choose the one you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. This usually involves logging into PayPal or Stripe, confirming your details, and linking the account back to Big Cartel. Once the connection is successful, your checkout page is automatically activated. Your store is now ready to accept payment securely, and customers can complete purchases without any extra setup. That's all you need to do. Your checkout page is live, your store is ready, and you can start selling right away. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.